Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Now, I've been getting a lot of messages from people, from my subscribers, my followers, my friends and families to do a video on scalping, what scalping means and what the term scalping actually means. Now, scalping is a form of high frequency day trading. That is just the shortest definition. It's a form of high frequency day trading where the aim is to make small incremental gains that adds up to a large profit rather than big gains from a small number of trades. What does that mean? Now, if you look at this chart, I have my TP. You see this red line here? I have my TP at 1730.225. Do you understand me? I bought XAU USD. Now, some people would want to wait till it hits TP before they go out from the trade. But what we scalpers do is, along the line, as the trade is going in our direction towards TP, we'll be scalping, we'll be taking in our profit and probably re-entering the trade again. Do you understand? Now, looking at this now, if I want to be scalping, as I'm seeing this blue here, I'm closing. This is a real account though. As I'm seeing this blue, I'm closing. So I'll be taking, I've closed the first one, I'm closing this other one right now with this little profit. Do you understand? So as the market goes in line with my prediction, or as it's approaching TP, I'll be taking out my profit at every point in time. That is what scalping actually means. Now, but a lot of traders will want to wait until it hits TP. Fine, that is good. But most times, markets may not always go in line with your prediction. So it is always better and advisable to scalp. Now, if I would have waited for this trade to hit TP, I might have made, let's say, $100 or $200 from all the trades I opened. But if I scalp along the line as the market fluctuates, if I scalp, I might make even more than the amount I will make when I am holding. So do you understand now, guys? So scalping is the quickest form of trading, and it requires attention. You can't go look at, okay, right now it's going in our direction. I can decide to close this and enter again. Do you understand? Or just hold while it hits TP. But scalping basically is the quickest form of trading. You jump in, you jump out. Now I want to close one more just to be on the safer side. You don't have to be greedy in scalping. You don't have to be greedy. So if you can do this for a whole day, 24 hours, you can be sure of perfect profit, instead of waiting for a trade to actually go in line with TP, or waiting for TP and before you know it, it falls and you are always eating SL. Your trade is always eating stop loss. Your trade is always eating stop loss. So therefore, in scalping, basically you don't use stop loss. That's why most times in my trade I don't send stop loss. Do you understand, guys? Basically, you don't use stop loss in scalping. Scalpers take profit early in the market. They take their profit early and minimize losses by closing positions very quickly should the market turn. This type of trading requires full attention, like I said earlier. So scalpers oftentimes use technical indicators, and one of the indicators I advise is moving averages. If you check my chart, you see some moving averages and the RSI. Highly liquidity markets, you can call it highly liquidity market or highly liquid markets, are advisable when scalping, because it allows you get in and out of positions quickly. What do I mean by highly liquidity markets? Like XAU USD, BTC USD, those currency pairs that what is it called again? Those currency pairs that are very volatile. Thank you. That is the English. That is the word rather. That are very volatile. So it's very easy to scalp with them because you tend to make much profit when XAU go in line with your direction or with your prediction. Even with a 0.001 lot size, you can make as much as $4, $5. You close. You check again. That's why I see most times the indicators that are advisable to use is the moving averages and the RSI. Once you notice your RSI is below 30 and you know it's trying to take a bullish turn, you start buying. Do you understand? You go in, you come out. You take your $2, your $3, your $4, your $5, you come out. You take your $2, you come out. You take your $1, you come out. Once you round up for that day, guys, you can be seeing up to, depending on your amount, a lot of profits. So this is basically what scalping means. Nothing else, nothing more. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment.